looking at your dedication.
Hmm.
आप इतने sincere हो in terms of homework and Google Forms and practice and re-practice and ये sum and backward सिखाना, फिर वो पीछे का वापस याद दिलाना. Oh my God, it's so amazing कि मैं guilty feel कर जाती हूँ as a parent that if a teacher, honestly, hats off, if we are continuing Clarika's class, it is only because her father and me are so taken away by your and मैम का तो 2 साल तक था, but आप लोग का डेडिकेशन कि हमें पता है we will not get teachers like yours, that is so sure.
So thank you.
अगर हमने we stop Clarika's class, it is very, we will not get a teacher like yours, that is so no doubt. But and you know that sir, या आप लोग को पता है how dedicated and great you all are. तो उस चीज से हम वो उसको बोलते हैं कि बेटा आप करो. So I think as a parent, looking at your dedication as a parent, I feel I have to now push her. But if that regular happens, no sir, I am sure she will surely be able to meet up to your expectations.
Yeah.
But आप लोग की तरफ से तो it is great. There is no complaints, there is no nothing that I can really pinpoint at. या क्या ही मैं आपको बोलूं improve करो. There is no scope for improvement, sir.
Oh my God. No ma'am.
जो बेस्ट होते हैं वो क्या ही improve करेंगे.
नहीं मैम, तो इम्प्रूवमेंट तो हमेशा रहने वाला है. वो अभी जैसे आपने रिसेंटली आपका ये हमने स्पीड 5 चालू किया है, राइट? That was not there last year. Yeah. So that is something which will help students to do quick practice. नहीं तो क्या 15 क्वेश्चन हो तो बच्चा थोड़ा लेजी करता है, नहीं अभी नहीं करूंगा.
And sir, that is why Clarika was the first one कि she didn't do that. She's like, please can I do this? That was like she immediately came and she's like मुझे ये करना है, and she immediately did it.
Very good.
So that's what I'm saying. Look at your initiative to do every possible thing. See, मैं उसको बोलती हूँ. This is my रोज का प्रेयर बेसिकली. क्लारिका, अब जून से क्या पिछले साल से आप बेशक एवरी डे जस्ट डू 5 sums फॉर मम्मा.
Okay.
ये माय प्रेयर टू हर एवरी मॉर्निंग. क्लारिका, only 5 sums. बट सर वो नहीं होता. रेगुलर होता है बट रोज 5 sums नहीं होता है.
Correct.
बट अभी आपकी वजह से वो भी होना चालू हो गया है.
Correct. So I'm so happy that she is responding positively to that. और हमारा इंटरनल असेसमेंट भी इस साल हमने वापस we changed the method. Last year we were taking only through Google Forms. इस साल हमने उसको ऑफलाइन जैसा बना दिया पूरा प्रोसेस को. Correct. Last year it was only just tick कर लो आंसर को and then they are off. तो हमने बोला कि नहीं, this is not acceptable actually. I think we are missing somewhere. So this year we made it a completely school kind of an exam. कि वो पूरा का पूरा स्टेप्स लिख रहे हैं, हमारे सामने एग्जाम दे रहे हैं, उनको पूरा वो स्कूल का फील है.
Over the weekend, कल की ही बात है. And her dad and I, we were discussing with her कि what you would better. First we'll stop the. Besides IPM, you'll talk about anything else. Literally, her eyes get full. नहीं Clarika, IPM is taking a lot of your energy. Means mentally, I feel your. No, I can do it. I know, Mama, I want to do it. Anything else you want to stop, you tell me what you want.
Very good. So nice.
So it is her 100% her willingness, which we have been wanting to hear, and we feel very good about it, sir. कि अगर बच्चा करना चाहता है, how can we stop it?
No, that is a very good thing actually. नहीं तो बच्चे जनरली avoid करते हैं, नहीं मुझे प्रेशर नहीं चाहिए, वो सिचुएशन होती है, पेरेंट्स को पुश करना पड़ता है. So this is a very different kind of a situation where a child is pushing you.
No, I have to. Don't talk to sir. I will do. Don't talk to sir. See, I'll talk to sir. No, you don't talk to sir.
So anyways, ma'am.
But I think no, sir, it's because now you all have been with her. Like, man, now you. But the first beginning say she's with you all. She's growing up with you all. So it's a different bond. And like you are not only in their books. आपका एक अलग connection है हर बच्चे. I heard, मैं घर पे होती हूँ जब क्लास होता है. The way you pull up kids, the way you are connected, the way ये बच्चा ये आंसर कर सकता है, ये नहीं. And we know when you ask whom.
बराबर.
Because you are the right judge. No, sir didn't ask me today. Yes, Clarika, because sir knows you know this. But when you don't know, he will correctly pull you out.
So nice, ma'am. So nice of you to.
You have a different connection with them. So I think it's more that attachment that they probably have with you. And your strictness is also amazing. That is also acceptable to them.
Yeah.
तो वो भी एक अलग चीज है. Your fun is also another level to them. So it's an amazing blend. So we are blessed.
So nice of
That's
you.
what I can say.
So nice of you for such kind words, and we are
Thank
blessed.
you.
We are blessed to have children like Clarica, parents like you. ये भगवान की देन है कि जो आपको और हमको मिलाया. So nice talking to you every time.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Please convey our love and regards to ma'am as well.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
think about her often. We don't talk. We know you all are busy, but we always think about her
Yes,
too.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'll definitely do that. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Take care, ma'am. Good day. Bye bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir. You too. Good day.
Yeah.